model, 2014 Peugeot Partner 1.6 HDI 92850, professional L1 full MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 244,726. MOT, the 25th of November 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 DTED. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great and runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in amazing condition and pulls well through all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and looks very presentable. Interior is very clean and you can really tell it's been looked after. Rear load area is very clean with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van, ready to work and make you money. Features, 3 former keepers, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.